Good afternoon. As we wrap up our time here learning together on Google Classroom, I thought I would take this opportunity to share some time talking specifically about a very, very useful feature in Google Classroom that allows you to email individual students or even to email all students in a class with a particular message that you might have to send out. And so the very first step is to first of all, be in the class, of course, that you want to be in. In this case, it's the class that was created for me this summer for this Google Classroom class. And then you simply go over to the People tab. And when the People tab pops up here, you will note at the top that you have the teachers and co-teachers that are assigned to the class. But right beneath that, you have the students. And so if I want to, in particular, to send an email to Scott, I simply go over here to the three dots and click the email student button and wait a few seconds, and up, lo and behold, is going to pop an email to Scott. And so in the case of Scott, I might simply say late assignment um, in the subject line. And I might therefore then just remind him that the essay on, whatever it happens to be, and I would just finish that email. And when I'm done, all I got to do is hit send, and that email is going to go off to that particular student. So that's a pretty easy way to send an email to an individual student. The other option that you have is to email all students in the class, and you accomplish that by simply clicking on the box first and then clicking on actions, and you can see email there. If that box is not clicked, oops, if that box is not clicked, you will not be able to choose those actions. So you click that box at the top, go to the actions, hit email, and you will note here in a few seconds that across the address line here of this email, when it pops up, are the names of all of the students in that class. And notice also that they're in the BCC, the blind uh, carbon copy of the email, so that they're not seeing each other's email addresses and they're not seeing the message went to everyone other than just themselves. So that's kind of a nice feature that it does that automatically. And again, you just put in your subject and your quick message and hit send, and those messages would go out directly to your students in your class. So that is all there is to it, folks. Have a great day.